Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on and off incognito mode in iPhone. So first of all, go ahead to your browser, and if you want to, avoid the incognito mode on on your Safari, just open the Safari app on your iPhone, then tap swipe right on the tab bar at the bottom of the screen until the private browsing opens, then tap unlock to exit private browsing tab, then swipe left to open a tab group from the menu at the bottom of the screen. So let's say right here I'm gonna just open up a new window right here, and I'm gonna swipe right. Okay, and you're gonna be able to see this is like, I can go on and on, and I can use the basically incognito mode by simply swiping right, and basically I can use the private browsing. But if you want to turn it off, you could just by closing your incognito or the private browsing on your Safari, you can actually turn it off, and then you can use or switch to a public browsing. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and we will definitely see you in the next one.